How to fix mic and voice chat not working on peak. Now, I'm going to be providing you the most basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. First is you need to find where the problem is coming from. If you go ahead and access the peak via Steam, you can go ahead directly into the peak settings by going into the three options, which is going to be the general, graphics, and audio. Now, under microphone and microphone mode, make sure that it is currently set on what specific device you're trying to use from your PC or in your laptop. Make sure that you're using the correct microphone. Next is to access Peak via the Steam client. Go ahead into your Steam client and make sure that you're logged in into your Steam account. Now from your library, locate the Peak game and then go into the three dots, go to properties and change the launch options, whether to the Peak using Vulkan or via using DX12. Play along for both those options, but if none of those are working, then what you want to do is to tweak around the settings from your PC. To do that, go into the Windows icon, type in run, and then type in again SNDVOL and hit on OK. Now in here, what you want to do is to double check if your Steam is currently on mute. You just have to unmute it and relaunch the game. And that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps for you to fix mic and voice chat not working on peak.